Self-love and selfishness are two concepts that often get confused, but understanding the difference is very important for our mental health and relationships. First, let's talk about self-love. Self-love means caring for yourself in a healthy way. It means respecting your own needs, setting boundaries, and making choices that help you grow. When you practice self-love, you take time for rest, eat well, think positively, and avoid things that harm you. Self-love helps build confidence and inner peace. It allows you to be kind to yourself, especially when things get tough. Self-love is about balance. It means you care for yourself without ignoring others. You recognize that your happiness and well-being matter. When you love yourself, you are better able to love and support those around you. Now, what is selfishness? Selfishness is when someone only thinks about themselves, ignoring the needs and feelings of others. It means putting your own desires above everything else, even if it hurts other people. Selfish behavior often leads to conflicts and broken relationships. A selfish person may take more than they give and expect others to always adjust for them. Unlike self-love, selfishness is not about balance. It is an excessive focus on yourself, often without caring about the consequences. It creates distance between people and can lead to loneliness. How can you tell if you are practicing self-love or being selfish? Ask yourself, am I taking care of myself so I can be my best for others? Am I setting healthy limits while respecting others? Or am I ignoring others' feelings and only thinking about what I want? Self-love encourages growth and connection. Selfishness isolates and causes harm. Remember, self-love is necessary and healthy. It is not wrong to put yourself first sometimes, but it should never come at the cost of others. When you love yourself, you naturally become more understanding and generous. In summary, self-love is about respect, balance, and care. Selfishness is about ignoring others and only serving yourself. Choose self-love. It brings happiness, stronger relationships, and peace of mind.